Welcome back, guys. In the next video, I'll show you this algorithm step by step. At first, we'll start finding and download different viral videos from different platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Reels. Then we'll extract their audio using AI tool. After getting the audio script, we'll rewrite and make our own version. So viral video already has a huge demand in market, and we are using same concept and recreate the same content with different tone. In the next stage, we'll segment the script and find relevant clips to make original video based on the rewrite script. After that, we'll create a audio based on this script using AI tool. When every resource is ready, we'll complete a video editing with AI tool. So this is the process and this is the algorithm. Everywhere, everyone actually doing the same thing. Just follow my each and every video and do your own. Best of luck, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.